சரி சார். சார் உங்க சைடு வால்யூம் கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சிக்கணும் சார்.
Hi, good evening, one and all gathered here. I am Kavya. She is Damayanti. She is Vaidehi. We are second year from EEE department. We have a project on cell phone control home appliances without microcontroller. Sometimes, unfortunately, we may forget to switch off these appliances while going outside, and we face the problems to switch off these devices. In order to prevent these problems, we use mobile control home appliances because all of you having mobiles in outside, so we use this project to control home appliances. In this project,